Welcome back. Hope all is going well so far. We're going to spend some time today on the structure of Easyread, which includes a bit of discussion about how quickly you can expect to see improvements. Easyread is split into 5 levels, which you'll see on the screen in front of you. Level 1 is the foundation level, which runs from Lesson 1 to Lesson 14. This teaches the Easyread decoding process and introduces all of the images. Everyone starts with the foundation, no matter what their starting ability is. And many of the children using Easyread have actually done some reading already, so it may seem initially too basic. But these early lessons are crucial nonetheless, as you will see. If a child has done some reading before, it's good to explain this to them. The most critical element of Easyread is getting decoding practice. The Easyread lesson should be like a visit to the decoding gym. Level 1 is where we introduce the trainer text to allow each child to decode any word. We also introduce games that are designed to be hard to win if you guess, so encourage your child to decode every word, even if it's familiar to them. The essential difference between guided phonetic reading and conventional phonics is that we do not teach any letter pattern to sound relationships explicitly. There are no rules to learn in Easyread. We just get the child decoding thousands and thousands of words, and then the child's brain maps all those complexities subconsciously. So it is more like learning to ride a bike than learning math equations. Level 2 runs from Lesson 15 to 133 and consists of 2 games on either side of a short, familiar story, which builds a foundation of confidence in working through the lessons in a decoding rather than sight reading or guessing manner. Level 2 is designed to feel pretty easy, and we found it to be immensely important. It builds confidence with a series of 120 short lessons that are designed to feel easy. We want the learner to be thinking, hey, I can do this. Psychology is critical in this way because stress actually shuts down the higher brain functioning and pushes the focus more towards the basic brain functions of emotion, fight and flight. You may have seen that in effect already. In the beginning of Level 2, there are just 2 verses a day, which may seem very short to you, but it gets great results. Even 2 minutes of really good reading practice is more valuable than 30 minutes of struggle with shortcuts and guessing. Remember that Easyread lessons should always be done out loud as well. Level 2 starts with Jungle Juggle as a warm-up game, but it's fine to skip it if it seems too easy. It's better to do that than bore your child with too simple a task. Level 2 is also when we start to see transfers of improvements to the outside reading. Lesson 90 is usually the stage that starts to happen for most learners, although it can vary a bit, of course. Progress with outside reading is not linear. There is usually an initial surge of ability followed by a longer, quieter period as your child builds experience with less regular words. There is then a second surge of ability sometime around the Lesson 90 mark. Let's pause now for a short quiz. Good luck!